Hello! It's been a while and we are so happy to be back sharing our journey with you. Hope everybody had a good Christmas, that you stayed safe, and the start of 2024 has been kind to you. Our Christmas and New Year's turned into wet weather days. Lots of storms coming in. High temperatures and ridiculous humidity. It was like living in soup. So we were like, so indoors it was, we took this opportunity to start painting all of the ceilings and the interior walls in the main living areas, the kitchen, the hallways. Yes, we had the fan on. Yes, we had the air conditioner on, and of course the music was playing. But jobs like these, well, they're a little more fun when you have amazing company.
It's hot.
Anyone who has ever painted a ceiling or cut in a ceiling knows by this stage our shoulders were burning, our necks were sore, but 180 always brings the smiles. Prior to starting the painting, we spent a lot of time cleaning all the walls with sugar soap and filling and sanding them. Preparation really is the key. Then we got into painting the walls. It makes such a difference. Fresh paint. We're not really changing the colour, just freshening it up. Even though it was the middle of the day, it was still quite dark with all the storms about. But you can really see here the difference. We did get a break in the weather, so decided to head down to the beach for a bit of a walk, check things out, and look what we came across. We thought we would share it with you. We do love exploring abandoned and derelict things. Unfortunately, we know nothing about this boat, how it got here, or who owns it. But imagine if we could get it back to the house. Like a cool garden feature, maybe.
Ahoy, shipmates! You have to whistle because not your whistle prepared to come aboard.
This was a great find, and we had a lot of fun exploring it. Luckily, the tide was heading out, but unfortunately the sun was going down, so it was time to head back. Back inside and to the challenge of the terracotta floors. In previous videos, we showed and shared us getting the scrubbing machine in and giving the floors a really good clean, and they did come up incredibly well. However, there were a few tiles that were just too stained or too damaged that we needed to replace. Now, they're quite random, really, so we've decided to replace them with a pattern tile. We came down to this one or this one. So we headed in store to have a look. We really like how just that natural stone and the terracotta, and we'll be bringing in some of those wood features as well. 180 got stuck into the job. We really love how this tile also brings in some of the outdoor elements down near the creek. You know, we've got all those natural stones and rocks and all those beautiful colors. And we think too, with the terracotta, it matches in well. We absolutely love how these tiles are turning out, and we can't wait to show you when they're all finished and the floor is all clean and sealed. But wow, they look great. What do you reckon? Do you like them? Let us know in the comments. Also, our little Peewee friend, who has been following us around the backyard now for many, many months, very, very friendly, has also been busy during these storms and has created this beautiful little family. We are so blessed to have these little ones in our garden. Thank you so much for watching and sharing in our journey with us. We have so much more to show you, so much more to do. We're so excited. And thank you to everyone who likes and subscribes. We really do appreciate it. In our next videos, we'll be stepping outside a little bit more with the weather slowly starting to cool down and those storms coming to an end, showing you more work in the garden and more work to do inside, finishing off those terracotta floors, and then we'll be starting work in the study, replacing the floor in there, starting to decorate. Can't wait to share it with you. So until next time, stay safe.